Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at this USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 at 10 gigabit per second. This has 10 ports, power delivery 45 watts on the powered USB hub, and that's it, aluminum and all that stuff that I told you. So let's take it out and see what's actually inside. I'm a big fan of these ports because they make life much easier, especially with the newer computers that you pay more and get less. You know what I mean? Something like this is absolutely necessary. So let's get it out. This is the device itself. These are buttons, actual switches for each port. And you have here the USB C1 and C2 that you can use for power. That's the 45 watts. But if you plug both at once, then they share 220 watts each. That's the whole point. Two USB-C 10 gigabits per second speeds here. And then you have 2, 4, 5 USB 3.0, and you have the other USB 3 up here, and these are all light indicators. And in the side you have the USB-C that connects to the host or to the computer, and the 24 volt actual barrel plug to power it up, and that's it. The whole body is aluminum made. This is your 24 volt plug that comes in the box. Then you have the USB-C to USB type A or C cable. And that's it. The rest is just the user's manual inside if you want to consult with it and check what's going on. And besides that, well, just a matter of plugging it in and actually using it. So we're gonna do exactly that. Nice, that's a lot of cable, and that's what I'm talking about, the USB type A or type C, whatever your computer has. Mine has type C and type A, so it will be on type C probably. Is a sport I have easier here, but let me plug the power real quick. And I like that you can individually turn on and off the ports, so they don't need to all stay on at all times. Okay. We are in power now, as you see. So I'm talking about the switches here. You can turn them all on or selectively turn on and off what you need. This is really cool. These are your charging ports, and we just plug in our laptop or PC, whatever you might have going on, right here. And you should be ready to go to plug anything on this hub, but let me get some USBs and some other stuff so we can actually see it working and not just talk about it. Okay, so let's do this. I have a phone here for charging, and I have some USB storage devices. And let's start with the first things first, charging. USB-C to C and see if it charges our phone. Yep, started charging right away. I had this phone off because I don't really use it, but as you see, boom, that's it. Well, this was fully charged, but yes, it charges. And or if you have a different phone, it should charge the same way on a different device, as you see. Oh yeah, charging rapidly. That's actually cool. So yes, indeed, it is a fast charger. And let me put the laptop in front of your eyeballs and see what happens. Okay, so now we start some fun. Here we go. I'm gonna plug a USB-C really quick on one of the USB-C data ports. Yep, opened up right away. Okay, and let me plug another USB-C because we have two USB-C data ports here. Is why not? Second one right here, and I see the blue light here, and yep, it opened up here. Then we're gonna plug one of these that's a regular type A USB, just a random port here. Boom, opened up here. And then we have another one here. I'm gonna put type A this one as well on the very top, just like that. So just so you see what we're doing here. And now, of course, the speeds of this device can go to that 10 gigabit per second, right? But it all depends on what kind of devices you actually have. So if the speeds of this one here don't reach that, well, of course, this is not going to boost it. It's not a booster. That's not its job. But if any of your devices can reach higher speeds, well, then this one can do it. Let me try just one of them on the speed test. These are not super speedy USBs, but we can try it. I guess I'm just going to choose one of them. It doesn't really matter at this point. Just going to start testing. Oh, yeah. Almost a gig, actually. Oh, yeah. That's actually good. I gotta say, this hub is fast. It is fast. Look at that, 903 read, 833 write. And these are just regular external USBs. But let me prove to you what I just said. Let me select a different USB now. I know one of them that is actually slower. I know that for sure. This one. This one is supposed to be just a tad bit slower. So, yep, look at that. This one goes 250 writing and almost 400 read. Because I know this one is slower. So that's what I was trying to tell you, that the hub can do it, but depends, can your device do it? That's what happens here. And besides that, I mean, you have a lot of ports here. Look how many we have plugged in. 1, 2, 3, 4 storage devices and a phone charging. You can put 2 phones charging and more storage devices. So besides that, I mean, what else can I tell you? It's actually a really, really cool device. And, well, I'm a big fan of these things anyway, so it's not going to be hard for me to convince myself to put it on right now. Let me send this folder to one of the USBs really quick. And this folder is over 100 gigabytes. Yep. Look at that. That's actually quite fast. Nice. It's going up to almost 300-400. And when it drops like that, that's depends what's in your USB drive. On this one, there's a lot of Windows installation files. So yeah, some of those DLL and whatever that stuff is will go up and down. But we're transferring up to 600 and 800 megabyte per second. I'm going to pause it because I don't want to transfer it, but it works like a charm. And the phone's still charging, by the way. Let me see real quick. Yep, look at that. Charging rapidly. Boom. What else do you need in life except that? It just works, and it works exactly as advertised. And I love when I see that. And it's very simple. And for example, let me see if I turn off all the devices one by one. What happens on the laptop side? Do they actually disconnect? Well, I mean, they should. Yep, they're all gone. On the PC, we don't have any USBs. And for example, let's say I want to put one of them back on. Let's say I want to do this one right here. It's off right now, as you see, the light. Let me turn back on and see if it pops up on the laptop. Boom, right away. So it works just like that. And if I click it again, now that may not be the best thing, but yeah, it works. You're supposed to safely remove USBs, but hey, they work. And that's what we're here for and what we're here to see. So it doesn't matter what kind of device you throw at it. All these things were connected at once and they did not care. They all simply just worked like charm. And I dropped one. That's great. Amazing. I love it. And yeah, the phone was still charging, but let me see what happens. So while it's charging, what happens when I click the button? Yep, it went out. Perfect. That's what you need to see here. Besides that, well, the rest is how you would like to use such a device. I can, based on what I tested so far, I could highly suggest it.